Okay, ladies and gentlemen, peace be unto you. Peace. Today's video is about, after watching the video that the late Ahmad Didat was defeated by a Christian apologist. Because Ahmad Didat was asking the question, show me in the 27 books where Jesus said, I will raise back to life, you know. I think Ahmad Didat forgot about the book of Revelation, you know. The answer is in Revelation 1:18. He said, I am he that lived and was dead, and behold, I am alive forevermore, you know. Amen, you know. And have the keys of hell and of death. So this is the answer that ended the career of Ahmad Didat. Now the question to you is, who is Jesus? Is Jesus God or prophet? Okay? Now the book of Revelation is actually the book of rubbish, you know. To me, the book of Revelation is the inspiration came from the false Christ, you know. False Christ that appeared to Saint John of Patmos. Do you remember in Matthew 24:26? Jesus said, behold, one was in the wilderness, which was Paul, and one is in the secret chamber. Where was John of Patmos? Was his whereabout? He was in the secret chamber, in the jail of the island of Patmos. And Jesus said, do not believe John of Patmos. Have I made it very clear to you? Or you still think I am bullshitting to you? Go back to Matthew 24:26. That verse is referring to Paul, who was in the wilderness, Arabia. And the other one was John, who was in the secret chamber of Patmos, in the jail of Patmos. Secret chamber is the jail. The secret chamber is not in the Mount Hira that Muhammad was, you know. Okay? So Jesus had warned you about Paul and John. So the Paul epistles made up the inspiration for Mark, Matthew, Luke, and John, and including the book of John, you know, the Revelation. The Revelation is the last book of the Bible, and it was inspired by the false Christ that appeared to John of Patmos. Remember, Jesus said, if you see me here or there, do not believe. Those are the false Christ. The one that appeared to Paul said, I am Christ. The one that appeared to John also said, I am Christ, you know. So Christian, when are you going to learn the lesson? When are you going to wake up from your dreaming, you know? Okay. So I have made it clear that the book of Revelation is a falsehood. It is a falsehood, okay? Now, come back to the question, who is Jesus? Was Jesus a prophet or God? Or three in one? You know, you decide, you know. Okay? Even the book of Revelation state a lot of rubbish about him, you know. Okay? Okay, let's say Jesus said, he came to John and said, I am the Alpha and the Omega. So what is the meaning of Alpha and Omega? Alpha means you are in the beginning, Omega means you are the end. And then if Jesus died in between, in what year did Jesus die? When he was 33 years old, he died for 3 days, right? So he's no longer the Omega, he died already, you know. Then how can he be the Alpha? Because when he rose up after 3 days, he can no longer be the Alpha. Do you understand simple equation? This is simple logic, you know. that you cannot see, because you are blinded by your indoctrination of the blood bath, the cracker and the wine that you drink, that you eat on every Sunday. But it depends. If you are Catholic, you are having the mass, but maybe some other Christian church, they never practice that. I don't know, you know. So who is Jesus? Is Jesus God? If Jesus is God, then God cannot die, you know. As in 1 Timothy 1:17, that God is eternal. That means if he claimed that he is the Alpha and the Omega, then he shouldn't die. Then God is also immortal. If Jesus died for 3 days and 3 nights, then he is not God, you know. Then he is invisible. If Paul never see, he only heard the voice. But John heard the voice and saw Jesus, you know. White hair, you know. Long white hair, white garment, and the eyes like a flame of fire. Can you imagine Jesus having the eyes flame of fire? I thought Jesus should have the eyes full of loving eyes, you know. So who do you really think that came to John? Who do you really think? It was the false Christ. Satan came in disguise, you know. Remember Jesus said in Matthew 24, Jesus will only come after the great tribulation. Now COVID-19 is the great tribulation. He is coming soon. Jesus will not appear here and there. Jesus will not appear to Paul. Jesus will not appear to John, you know. So if you don't get this concept right, everything else is wrong, you know. Okay. So I actually prepared so many things, but I think I want to make it short because you can read up in the Revelation chapter 1 itself. If he claimed to be the Alpha and the Omega, then he shouldn't die. He cannot die, you know. Alpha and Omega means you must be eternal, you know? Immortal. And then how come John can see him? John saw Jesus, you know. At least Paul never saw Jesus, only heard the voice. Maybe Satan want to make it more convincing. Okay, let me appear in front of John. Let me show my face. But the Satan forgot that he had eyes of flame of fire. That was a real what? A real tip off that was a false Christ. Satan will always have eyes like a flame of fire, because they were made from fire. How can Jesus have eyes like fire? You know, Jesus is the light, you know. Soothing light, you know. Not a piercing light. So, where am I? Let me just browse through in case I forgot something. So, okay, I just want to make it short. The book of Revelation is rubbish, you know. Satan can tell John about the future prophecy. And do you think the Satan government cannot work towards fulfilling the prophecy? Of course they can. You see, all the prophecies about the Roman Catholic Church, chapter 17, all came true. Why? Because it is easy for them to do, you know. You just make the Roman Catholic corrupt the book and come up with the creed of Trinity, and then Satan know, oh, this is called the mystery. And then to fulfill the Babylon the Great, Satan told all the crusaders of the Roman Catholic Church to kill all the other sects of Christianity. It's very easy for them to do because all they do are evil things, and all the prophecies are about evil, you know. So the book of Revelation is the book of evil. Do you understand or not? Okay, it's a false book, the worst book for you to have faith with. Okay, first, if Jesus is God, Jesus cannot die. So this is clearly telling you that Jesus is not God, but yet it still take Jesus as God. Okay, I don't understand, you know. Okay, So I hope I have made it clear for this short and sharp video. Okay, thank you very much.